Okay, what's up you guys? It's your girl Lo back with another video, and today we are finally, I've been wanting to do this for literally like since the beginning of January. We're finally doing my vision board and I'm so excited. I got all my pictures off of Pinterest because I literally have a board on my Pinterest that says vision board. And then I pulled some things from like quotes and stuff like that. Because I know you could always get stickers with quotes on them, but the quotes that really resonate with me like come from Pinterest and I think are a little deeper than stuff that would be like on a sticker. I wasn't thinking about putting magazine stuff in here, but I have them anyway because I used to like making collages out of magazines and newspapers, so I have both, but who knows if I'll actually use them. Okay, I will say for step one of this, I'm literally just going to cut all of these out. So this picture just reminded me of self-love and giving myself flowers, and then anything else that belongs in the category of love. Alright you guys, so I cut out everything. This is so dope. This one is definitely like way too big compared to the other ones. Like, really, Lauren? Okay, now I'm going to like organize it, and I was thinking of putting like quotes with quotes, hobbies with hobbies, travel with travel type of thing, just so I can see it all and then kind of like put it together. I'm really excited about this because I've always wanted to do like vision board. Okay, so here are all my like little sections. These are kind of like hobbies and I guess things I want to get into. Those are my like goals for social media. Here's my travel. And then here are all my quotes and things to like live by and remember. So now's the time where we kind of like organize what is gonna go where and put it all together. Also, if you want to know where I got this stuff from, I went to Staples to print out all my pictures because I did like this self-print thingy, and then the magazines I've just collected over the years, and then this canvas I also got at Staples. It was like $4 and some change. Obviously you can also get these Walmart, Target, Michael's, Hobby Lobby. Like, there's definitely other places you can get them. I just got this at Staples because I wanted to make it easier since I was already there. As a teacher, I want to be able to show people how inclusive yoga can be and is, and all the different things it really means. And I want to be able to show that and teach that. A lot of people also have like one way of thinking about like yoga and meditation, and it's so not what you're thinking. It is so much more than all of that. This one is from Patanjali. It says yoga is the practice of quieting the mind. That's one of the Yoga Sutras. That's here. And I also love these. These are all on body positivity. I have ones like these. I really love. This one says admire others' beauty without doubting your own. Like being able to look at other people's bodies and not sit there and nitpick at everything you don't have that they have. Because I was an athlete, and even my own pictures, like I'll look back at pictures and be like, oh my god, like I look so much better here than I do now. And if I'm being completely honest, like that's not even the body that I really want. I think I've grown a lot in recognizing that that body was, although it might have been like stronger, I still had like, I wasn't treating my body right during that time. My eating habits and my like, what's the word? My relationship with food was still just as unhealthy as it is now. Okay, y'all, I finally finished my vision board. I think that literally took like 2 hours. I'm not even kidding. I don't really remember when I started, so I can't give you an actual like time frame, but I did it. I will say, so I didn't get to fit everything on here, but for some of them what I ended up doing, so like for this one, where is it? Like, it was this picture, really beautiful, but there was a quote right here. So because I couldn't fit the picture, I just cut out the quote and put it on. So I thought that was cool. I'm here to love and be loved, to learn and to teach, to fail and succeed. I'm here to manifest my soul's destiny in the process of awakening consciousness. Somewhere deep inside you is a place of peace. No matter how loud the world around you gets, you can always return home to yourself, sit quietly and go inwards. But because I love these two, I'm gonna put them on my like quotes wall, or I'll put them in my art journal. In other words, none of these pictures are going to waste. They're all gonna go somewhere nice first, even though I already like gave a little clip of it. So this is what it looks like. I kind of have my quotes over here in this section. And some of them have to do with like my yoga practice because I really want to deepen my practice, and you guys know I'm in teacher training. I think my goal right now for it is, so after I get my certification, I definitely will make like YouTube videos and Instagram videos doing different sequences and flows. Like, I already know that I want to do that, especially since I've been having my own self-practice. I can finally teach you guys what I've been doing. From there, I'm going to continue to keep like practice teaching like to friends and family. And then when I'm like officially comfortable, I'll probably start like subbing classes and try to get into the studio. And if not our studio, then another studio or a gym or something like that, and start teaching there, which I'm really excited about as well, because then I'll get to like, you know, make a sort of community like in person with people. But yeah, so by the summer, I definitely want to be like in a studio, but the second after I get my certification, which is like next month, I will immediately start making YouTube videos because I'm so excited for that. I'll have another video also on all of that and a bit of other things that I'm excited for when it comes to yoga. I want to create a bit of a healthier lifestyle, so not taking away and like restricting myself from like eating ice cream or like having a brownie or something like that, but instead of having that like consistently throughout the week, it'll be like once a week type of thing. So portion control and incorporating healthier foods. I've actually already started implementing that, which is also awesome because that's another thing that I am just trying to be more consistent in. So I want to dive deeper into like spirituality and the different like things I'm curious about or want to do more research on. I really want to get into that sort of stuff, and of course I'll share them with you when I do, but that's why I have some quotes here from like Buddha, and I have the chakras, like all that. I have my goals for my social media platforms. I want to get 100 subscribers on YouTube this year. That's like a big thing I want to do. For my Instagram, I want 1,000 followers by the end of the year. Like, this is a 2022 goal. So I'm just gonna keep working my ass off, doing my absolute best to reach that goal. So of course, it'd be awesome. You guys help me with that and support your girl. But I'm really excited for that. And I just like, oh, I'm gonna be so excited when that happens because I work really hard on all my social media platforms. For TikTok, getting 500 followers. Right now I'm at like 204 or 205, I think. Okay, so other things are traveling. Like, I am so sick of sitting at home and wishing I were somewhere. Like, I'm always like, oh, I wish I was doing that. Oh, I wish I could go see that. Oh, I wish I was in the warm weather. Like, no, we're done wishing. We're gonna make shit happen. My travel section. And the places I want to go to are California, New York, and Hawaii. I really want to go to California because on one bucket list is to hug a redwood tree because I want to do it. They look so beautiful. I have a picture here. It's a little covered, but these are the redwoods. They're giant freaking trees. And you know, I'm obsessed with nature and like being able to breathe in nature. Could you imagine the air quality out there? Oh my God, it's probably beautiful. I want to see a waterfall. I've never in my life just like seen a beautiful waterfall like in person. Obviously I've seen pictures and videos, but I mean, for me to see it in person, I think that would be so freaking cool. So I really want to see a waterfall. I put LAX in there because I've never flown into LAX, and that's a goal of mine. Especially if I'm going to California. A little quote that's on here in like the window, like a airplane window. It says, do what makes you happy. And that's like the main goal. Like, not about looks, it's about how you feel with everything you do. Writing an art journal, which I did already, but this is on my vision board and just like completing it for 2022. I want to get back into crocheting because I would love to start making my own tote bags. I am learning Spanish right now, so that's why I put Duolingo. I want to be fluent in it by the end of the year. And reading books. I enjoy reading books now, so my goal is to read 10 to 12 books by the end of 2022. This is a picture of like some place like beautiful, like on the river, like sun shining. And it says, daydreams, I'm meditating here. I thought that was funny because like it goes along with how I'm always saying like I wish I could do this or I dream about doing this, and like I'm about to make that shit a reality. Just make time to relax and unplug. I think I'm gonna do like days, like once a week, where I literally just like don't go on my phone. And I thought about this because yesterday I was on my phone and my laptop or iPad so much that I actually got a headache. And like being on the screens is like not good. And I'm realizing that also might contribute to why I haven't been sleeping so well, because I literally just stare at that thing until I fall asleep. That's really unhealthy. So I was thinking once a week I could literally dedicate a day to just being off the screens, like doing anything else besides being on the screen. Do a mindfulness day. Because when you're practicing mindfulness, you are practicing allowing yourself to be so aware and conscious of what you're doing, to the point where you can feel yourself as you're doing each thing, how you're holding something or cooking a meal. Like there's so many parts of mindfulness. You're reading all about this right now. On those days, it might be like my mindfulness days, where I'm just really aware of everything I'm doing without the screens. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications for this video. Also, it helps out my channel so much, you guys, when you like the videos and you comment and stuff like that. It like makes the biggest difference in the world. I really appreciate each and every one of you who come to my channel and see what I'm up to, what I'm doing, and my different passions. But this was so fun to make. I really enjoyed this video. I'm in love with my freaking vision board. It came out better than I expected, and I'm just happy. But yeah, so feel free to ask me any questions you have about this vision board or about like my goals and like all sorts of things. Ask me whatever you want, or DM me on Insta. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.